we're replacing the thermostat on my 392 6.4 liter Hemi. The tools of the trade for today is a 13mm socket with an extension, a ratchet, vice grips, flathead screwdriver, rags and a bucket, and a jug of OEM coolant. Careful, you don't want to drop any bolts down there. It's one, and that's why we use an extension on that side. Flathead, or I got this guy right here. Ooh, this guy. Not the bleeder, but there's like a hole. Nice. Make sure it goes top left. There we are. That's the marker. Same position as stock. Throw this back in there. There's our installed housing. I'm gonna go ahead and check all the bolts and then do a little bit of a cleanup. Let's now run it with the cap off. Put the bleed on blast. Okay. This is gonna allow coolant to run through the heater core. Let's do that. Watch the temps. Now when you're doing coolant work or any radiator work, always run it afterwards and run it for a significant amount of time. Let's just say like 30 minutes. It's better for something to happen in your driveway rather than the side of the road. So let's do this testing. Let's run it for a good half an hour and with the cap off and monitor the level over there. We will monitor that level and then fill it up as we need. All right, let's do it. One thing we're going to check here is that there's no leaks. Alright guys, we're running up to temp. Looking good. Been running for about 20 minutes. Heat on blast. And everything looks good. We're going to do another check for some leaks. Close it up and go for a test drive. Alright guys, been driving for about 20-30K, give it some good runs on the highway. Looking good, looking good. No leaks, no explosions. Peace out. Subscribe, hit the notifications, and I'll check you guys later. Peace.